So Vince Neil fans will remember this bar in Circus Circus. Tatuados maybe or something. Anyway, it has now been converted into Midway Land, an extension of the Circus Circus Midway. Very popular with the kids and families. And anyone who's a fan of this bar will find this space unrecognizable now. It is a full-on arcade, which of course, very popular in any casino. What's different about this one? Well, the kids have their very own bar. God knows what they're gonna serve there, but let's assume it's rum. And there's a ton of awesome games. And, you know, Midway stuff. Through the Walking Dead game back here in the corner. Water shooting game, basket game, of course. What do you call it? Basketball? The sports? Anyway, that's the new repurposing of Vince Neil's bar at Circus Circus. What a beautiful bar. There's Kung Fu or whatever the kids are calling it now. Racing games, claw games. Look, the kids can practice for when they go to Circa and try that, the gambling one. And of course, you gotta have an extreme claw. Dun dun dun. Some would say that the one at the D and Circus Circus is a little extreme. But you get money rather than little fuzzy toys. Anyway, I do what I can to give you the latest.